Hi guys, Brendan here from Brendan Tek Tak. Fellow surgeons who record their surgeries always have one question popping up in their minds and conversations. Which is a good video editor which is easy to learn and preferably free of cost for editing my surgical videos? There is no one answer which would fit everyone's needs. The closest that comes to my mind is Shotcut video editor. Keeping all that in mind, I'm starting a series of short tutorials which should help those colleagues and friends. Mind you, these tutorials can be of help to any person who wants to edit any kind of video, not just surgical. So all are welcome aboard. I'll make a playlist of these tutorials and you can go from installation to the more advanced topics. Without any further ado, let's get going then. Shotcut is a comparatively easy to use open source and free video editor. It is cross-platform, which means that it can be downloaded and used on Windows, Mac or any Linux computer. I'll show you how to download it on a Mac computer and tell you how to install it. On Windows and Linux, I would guess you all would already know how to install programs. This would be the same too. So to download Shotcut, open your preferred browser and in the search bar, type Shotcut, S-H-O-T-C-U-T, video editor and press enter on Windows and return on a Mac. The first entry would be the Shotcut website, which is https://shotcut.org. Go to the website and you will see various links for Shotcut download for your operating system, which your browser has recognized. You should download the appropriate file. For a Mac, it would be a DMG file. You can download from any of the choices given. I would, however, advise you to download the installer preferably. On a Mac, the file downloads to the downloads folder. I guess on Windows also it would download to your default downloads folder. Click or double click on the file to start the installation. Just follow the online instructions and you'll see the notification which should tell you that the software has been installed. I have already got Shotcut installed on my computer, so I'll skip that. Now go to your program search area on your Windows, or in my case I'll open my Spotlight and type Shotcut. That should open the video editor. The interface looks fairly similar to most other video editors, but at the same time it is quite different in the way we use it. Don't worry, it's quite simple. Over the next few lessons, I'll show you how to go about using this simple yet powerful editor. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye. Take care.